Welcome to Katherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making a cheesecake. You will need one springform cake pan, 8.5 to 9 inch, 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's begin. In a bowl, you are going to put 1 1/4 cups of crumbs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And you're going to stir this until it is just moistened. Now that the crumbs are moist, you are going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And you are now going to put the crumbs into your cake pan. You need a pan like this that you can take the bottom out whenever you're finished with your cheesecake. Okay? We are now going to put our crumbs into the cake pan. You can use your hand or you can use the bottom of a glass to press the crumbs evenly into the pan and a little up the side. And you are pressing it firmly so that it is set in the pan. When you have finished pressing this into the pan, you are going to put it into the oven and you are going to bake it for 10 minutes at 375 degrees.
In a large bowl on medium speed, beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Next, beat in flour and vanilla until well blended. Now reduce speed to low and beat in eggs and egg yolk one at a time, beaten well after each addition. Stir in heavy cream until combined. Now pour your batter into prepared crust. Bake approximately 55 to 60 minutes until set but still slightly jiggly and moist. In center and pale gold near edge. Cool completely in pan on wire rack. When cool, fill top of the cheesecake with cherry filling. Put in the fridge overnight before serving. To serve, remove sides of pan and serve as usual. Okay, so now we have our finished cheesecake straight from the refrigerator. I used a 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling and enjoy.